Essay for beginners, around 250 words. Topic: merits and demerits of television. Television is one of the most popular means of entertainment and information in every home. It is an important part of our daily life. We can learn many things from television if we use it properly. There are many merits of television. It gives us news from all over the world. We can watch educational programs, documentaries, and science shows that increase our knowledge. Children can learn good habits, stories, and general knowledge through kids' channels. Television also helps us to relax and enjoy. We can watch movies, songs, sports, and comedy shows for fun. It also helps us to learn about other countries, their culture, and traditions. However, television also has some demerits. Watching TV for long hours harms our eyes and health. Students may waste a lot of time and forget their studies. Some programs show violence or bad behavior, which can have a negative effect on children. Too much TV also reduces our physical activity, making us lazy. In conclusion, television is both good and bad. It depends on how we use it. If we watch useful programs and limit our time, TV can be our best friend. But if we misuse it, it can harm us. We should always watch television wisely.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more educational content.